Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You need admin access and Adobe closed. Start now. First, locate executable names and their install paths so rules target the right files. Once done, pick a method. Local firewall for precise outbound control, hosts file for domain-level blocking, or router rules to stop all devices. Make sure to document which domains and IP ranges Adobe uses before you block them, because that list affects updates and activation. This saves time and reduces accidental service disruption when you proceed to create rules. You'll now create the rule itself. On Windows, open Defender Firewall with Advanced Security. Make a new outbound rule that blocks the Adobe executable path and select all profiles. On Mac OS, add the app to the application firewall or write pfctl entries to deny outbound to Adobe domains, then load them. For router-level control, add domain or IP blocks and assign the client by MAC or static IP. Make sure rules cover both IP4 and IP6 addresses, so traffic cannot bypass the block. Finish by testing. Launch Adobe briefly and watch Netstat, Resource Monitor, or a network monitor to confirm no outbound connections to Adobe domains. If connections persist, check for helper services, scheduled tasks, or other executables that spawn network access and block them too. If legitimate updates or licensing break, temporarily disable the block for those processes while documenting changes. As a troubleshooting tip, review firewall and router logs to find the exact domain or IP that slipped through, then update your rules accordingly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.